Hello everyone and welcome to Reliant Design Solution. So for today's tips and tricks, we are going to look at the tools that not all Inventor users knew that this tool exists in Inventor. It is so infrequently used, you can find it under Modify panel, you expand, and the tool is called Bend Part here. It is like a sheet metal tool that has been thrown away to the part modeling. So what it is a tool that taking an object and bend it around the bend line. So you can bend anything. It can be metal, plastic part, tubular, and it could be anything. What you need to do to start a bend is you need a solid part like this, and you need to have a bend line. But how are you gonna get the bend line? So the bend line is just a normal sketch line. So I just need to start a sketch. For example, I start a sketch on this surface, and then I draw a straight line here. Alright, so there is a thing that you need to take note. This bend line cannot be a construction line. It won't work if you use construction line. It doesn't need to have a size. It doesn't need to have a constraint. It just needs a directional line. So I click Finish Sketch. I go to Modify panel, Bend Part, and then I select this line. As you can see, the part model start to bend from the line that I draw. If I draw this line at the middle of this top and bottom plane, the result will be a bit different. It depends on where you draw the sketch line. Alright, so for the side here you can select for example both sides. Right? As you can see, the bend will affect the entire model. You cannot bend only some bit of your part model. So for the direction here, you can set on the opposite direction or the default direction, and the method you can select radius and arc length and angle. But by default you can use radius and angle. For example, I use radius and angle here. So the radius work like a fillet radius. You can see here. If I change the radius, for example, like 20 mm, so the radius will be bigger, as you can see. 5 will be smaller. Alright, and the angle, you can change here. For example, you want 90 degree, you can bend it 90 degree. Depends on what you need. Alright, so once you finish, you click OK, and there you go, you got your bend part. Alright, so you can design a very complex shape with these tools. It's very helpful. Another example I want to show here is for the tubular. Right, as I said before, you can bend anything, and so for example we will use tubular. So I start a sketch line on this plane here. Right, so draw another straight line here. If you want it to be more precise, of course you can give a constraint, but for this example I just leave it like that. Start bend. I select this line, and as you can see, start to bend from here. If I want to change the side, I can select side here. Alright, I think this is good for me. Click OK. Right, let's say I want to start another bend. So I can select plane here. Alright. Alright, let's say I want to bend from this elbow. Start a sketch on this plane. Right, for example, I draw a straight line here. I don't want to be specific. Click OK, finish. Alright, then select bend part and I select this line. Alright, so yeah, for this I can select, I can change the side. So this one is okay. Let's say I want to make the fillet, the radius is more bit bigger, so I can specify 70, and this one is okay. Okay, and then I have my bend part for this tube. Alright, hope you enjoy this video. That's all for today. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye and have a good day.